Wonderful day. We're going to get right to it. I am here with Wendy. She is with Food for Tots. And I'm here with Sean. Are you ready to make a yogurt fruit parfait?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready. Okay, so come on over here. We've lost Allison. Allison is no interest. She is back there coloring with the kids, but that's okay. We're going to make a fruit and yogurt parfait. This is great. We're talking about food for kids, healthy food for kids, and this is something that looks really fun and delicious, and it's really good for you.
And it's really easy to make, which is really important when you're dealing with children.
Okay, so let's make it. Okay, so Sean, come on over here. Actually, we'll bring everything to you. Okay, so we'll bring it all over here to you because you're standing on an apple box. Okay, so what does he need to do?
Okay, Sean, to start off with, first of all, why don't you add the applesauce?
So add some applesauce. Of course, we have unsweetened applesauce.
Absolutely. We don't like to add any extra sugar because the fruit contains its own natural sugar, so that's really important.
And this is fun because Sean is actually helping out and Allison's back.
Well, she was.
She was. Okay, so after the applesauce, is it the yogurt?
Yes, that's right. We add the yogurt. And using the ice cream scoop, you can see that it really makes it easy. And the wonderful part about this is we've actually put it on our website for the parents.
And the website is healthylicious.ca.
That's right. We've actually set this up totally for parents, so to make it easy for them. And if they like to join, they can sign up and we will send them regular recipes and newsletters to keep them informed and to help make it easy for them.
This looks easy. We've got some granola here.
Absolutely. That adds a nice bit of crunch. And it's nothing like a good crunch, is there?
We need some crunch. We've also got some strawberries and blueberries.
And that's adding the freshness to this little fun game. And not only that, is you're getting all your antioxidants here with your fruit. And look how colourful it looks.
It looks very colourful. Sean, do you want to eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to eat that. So let's get a spoon right here for you. There you go. And there's some blueberries too. We'll throw some blueberries on there. A nice, healthy, nutritious breakfast or a snack or a dessert. There you go. Healthylicious.ca. Dig in there. We're heading back to the station. He's taking it away.
Looks great.